What's up? Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm wrapping up here. I'm 5 weeks fixing this one up for a buddy, and just wanted to talk about this grill today. This is the last thing I gotta do is this grill. And I did some research, and these grills are not very popular. I guess they were in the late 60s, early 70s. You could get this grill where it's stamped Land Cruiser, but most of them don't have it. And trying to do research on how many have this grill and how many have this grill with those letters painted the opposite. So I can't find any. I think I found one online. A white grill with black letters, but it's a fiberglass reproduction. But actually find a metal one, I can't. So guess what we're gonna do? Last thing is to get this grill done, and by far it's probably the hardest thing to do of all this build. And so I have definitely put it off till the very end. So let's see how the grill comes out. Stay tuned. All right, now all we gotta do is mix up the black, shoot the black, and then let that flash, and then we'll put clear on it and be done. All right, there we go, finished product. Got the clear on. It's just gonna sit here and cure for a few hours, and then we'll get it put on. I call this the cherry on the top, right? Finishing the last thing is that just grill, the thing that everybody sees on these vehicles. So I'm excited to get it on later today, but that is how you paint recessed letters on a piece of metal. I couldn't find a lot of videos on this, so I hope this video helps somebody, but just take your time and don't be scared of it, and it'll come out great. All right, God bless till next time.